All right, guys. So welcome back again. This is the continuation of the order block video. All right. So I'm sure you must have seen the very first video where I introduced order blocks, what it is, and the types of order blocks. All right. So in today's video, in this very video, we'll be going straight to demonstrating how to use bullish order block. All right. So I will go ahead to share my screen right now. Yes. So all right, so I don't believe that we are in together right now. All right, excuse me. All right, so SRP is doing very well right now. So amazing. After the massive drop happened now the night before this day. So let's look at bullish order block. So today in this video rather, we'll be looking at bullish order block. All right. So I've come down to 5 minutes. All right. I've come down to 5 minutes. I came down to 5 minutes intentionally. All right. Now, order block is easily seen or easily spotted at a lower time frame. However, you can spot them at the higher time frame, like 4 hours. All right. You can spot order block at the higher time frame, like 4 hours. Let's see if we can see one of them here. Now, nope, 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 nope. I don't think, yeah, none. Let's find the go back, which I don't want to do. So let me go to 5 minutes. So it's easier for me to just understand the concept. All right. You can look at this on any time frame, all right, that you want to trade on. So let's just go straight to that. So now bullish order block. So bullish order block is very simple, all right. Very simple to identify, and you can see it anywhere in this time. So I've seen one. I'm going to show you right now. I've seen one. So now look at this bullish order block. This very one here. Now, when you see market comes down like this, right, and the last candle, right, is a bear candle, it's a bear candle, right? This last candle, and after this last candle, it followed by an impulsive bullish candle, all right, to the upside, which would break market structure. Now, how does that mean? So if you remember my previous dimension, market structure, BOS, a break of structure, or BMS, break of market structure. So we didn't that information right now. So now this bullish order block simply says that the last bear candle before an impulsive, all right, bullish candle to the upside, which breaks market structure. So that makes that place another block. All right, so in this case it's a bullish order block. So let me show you now. This is the last bear candle, right, that followed by an impulsive or bullish candle. The last bear candle followed by an impulsive bullish candle to the upside, then a break market structure. So it went above this. That's what it just means. That's what they mean by saying breaking of market structure. It went above the previous candle. So this is it broke it here. You can see it went above it, right? Right, and it didn't just go above it. All right, the going above it was impulsive. You can see this went up impulsively, right? This is a long candle and it kept going up. So you will now pick your rectangle tools. I think I've done video that extend your tools here. You pick your rectangle tools, come over that point. All right, most person will mark only the body and not the wick. So it depends what you want to do. So I don't just mark the entire body. All right, mark the entire body of the candle. So that part, all right, this is my order block. So this is my order block. Yes, this is my order block. So one person will mark only the candle of the bear candle. Why some will mark there? You want to just mark only the body of the candle. It's just to make you mark the entire body. So, but just understand this is how to identify order block. So this zone now becomes this place here. Now becomes what's become point of interest. POI. It become point of interest, and your what's your OB as a bullish order block. All right, so it becomes a bullish order block. All right, so you need to take note of this. What I just said is very important. So this then becomes what it is anyway. So now what is the significance of this? Now once you have identified this, please just follow me attentively. This is very technical. Once you have identified this, all right, of course you might have missed the market going up, all right, but at times once you identify this move, you can enter the next move. The moment this one closes very well, you can see it closes and it did not create any value gap, any fair value gap. It closes, you can enter once you see this happen. Let's say, for example, you are watching this market coming down, all right, and you look after this last candle, this bear candle, it come up with this one and it closes here. That's why I used to use 5 minutes. So you can see it happen very fast. It closes and open another one that starts going up. You can enter at this junction. and follow it up. All right. Now, but you need to mark here. So what it is signal of marking this point? As I said earlier, point of interest is the place where market will always come to react. All right. So your order block is more like a springboard. Market will always come back to that point and move up again. So as you can see what happened here, this market went up. Yes, it went up, 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 up. Then this one they coming and it didn't come down. This went up again. Then this one almost came down to it, but it did not. It missed it. Trust me, started zooming up again. This market is still going to come back to this point again. It's still going to come out to this point, all right? So we can as well decide to stretch this. Take on this 5 minutes, all right? Up your way. It's 5 minutes, so we will not take. So there in every 1 hour, can guess how many 5 minutes is there. So just divide 60 by 60 minutes by 5. So you can understand how many 5 minutes in 1 hour. So this will definitely rally might come back to this point. So this place now becomes a point of interest. Markets will definitely come back to this point. All right. So I'm going to draw this very so that when I come back in my next class to show you bearish order block, you will confirm that market has really come back to this point and bounces up. So I'm going to extend this. I'm going to keep this. I'm not going to take this out so that it can in less than 1 hour. So because it's 5 minute time, so but since I will not be here for in 1 hour in an hour time, so since I've done showing, so I've extended this line so that you can see market should have come here. So once this happened to you, right? If you're on this trade, let's say you observe this coming down. This is a trading strategy, all right? I'm showing you the same way I show you fair value gap. So you observe here, you wake up, you want to sit down on your desk, you want to analyze the market, you want to trade maybe on a Saturday that you are off work or on the day you want to trade. So trading is a professional work. So you might want to dedicate a day if you are the type that have your salary work. You want to the day that you know you are free, you want to dedicate that day to trade. All right. You can dedicate 2 hours, 3 hours, even when you come out from, we can dedicate 2 hours to trade. Crypto market runs 24/7. So you can dedicate just 2 hours. So just once you've analyzed in 5 minutes time frame, you come down here, you're able to spot this, all right, you mark it like this, you wait for it. Or if you don't wait for it, you can just set all your entry points at this zone. Right, set all your entry point at this zone. If you want to set your stop loss, you can set your stop loss at this point here. This is where you can set your stop loss. All right, this is where you can set stop loss here. Set this here. Yeah, you want to set your stop loss, you can put this here. All right, but put all your entry here so that put your entry and put your take profit also at this very point here. If you don't want to sit down and watch it, put your entry, put your take profit, put your stop loss. Go and stay and can tell you for free before you wake up. Market will have executed for you perfectly. So, but let's see, the market is meant to come down. So this should have come down here, but it did not zoom off. So it's kept on zooming off. So let's see if this will eventually come down to this point. Please take this is not an order block. I would have marked here also. Also, this also seems like an order block also. This very one here. So this one too seems like an order block too, but it's very small. But let's just pick it and see what we can make of it. Yeah. Let's pick it and see what we can make of it. This one look like an order block too because of the movement, my definition that I just gave you guys. So this is another order block again that we can pick of interest too. So let's see. So in case it doesn't come down to this point, you can also use this entry, draw entry too. So let's put that there. So now what the other blocks I said earlier, after a downtrend, all right, after the last bear candle, there must be an impulsive gray candle that goes up but break market structure that it will rise above the previous bear candle. So that is what has happened here. This very green candle rose above this bear candle is here, that by breaking market structure and went to the upside. So we have 2 points of interest right now. We're going to mark this out again. All right, we have 2 points of interest here. POIs. All right, and OB. This is bullish OB anyway, so let's take note of that. Okay. Just put this one there. Please, the week is down there soon. Week is down there. Let's put it there. And this one. All right. Okay, so let's see what happened here. So let's leave that. So with this in mind, please you need to understand, as I said earlier, bullish order block. They are order block, all right, that happen as a result of a bullish and impulsive candle to the upside after the last bear candle, right? After the last red candle in my case. I'm not using red, I'm not using it because the candle color can change, all right? Color can change depending on the settings that the individual use on their chart. So I'm using bear and bullish. So you can see here, so this is the bull candle. This is the bear candle. This is live. I'm not even going back to history. I can go back to history to show you, but I want to make my training live. that this happened really time, so you can see and understand that this really was so. But if I want to go back in history to really show you where it worked, let's see. I can really show you that where it worked. Let's see if you can see one here. Yes, this is one actually. Anyway, this look like one. Okay, it's kept going up. Wait for one where it happened live. SRP. Let's look for one. 5 minutes. 5 minutes SRP. Let's see. Example. 5 minute SRP. So it might be tedious looking at this thing, but the knowledge is worth it. Trust me. Understanding this is worth it big time. Yeah, it's worth it. So there are several order blocks you will see. Please take note, but some may not be valid order block. So you have to be extremely careful too. Some may not be valid order block. Let's look at one here. Just someone now. Look at this one. Look at this impulsive move to the downside, and this impulsive move to the upside. All right. However, this did not break structure, but this broke it. But I'm not going to pick this anyway. But you can see this as your order block because you mark this zone very well. Market came down to this point back with this zone. All right, but let me see look for other ones. All right, so let me look for other ones. So the idea is not to start chasing the market, please. That's not the idea. I'm trying to communicate here. What I'm communicating here is trading with patience. Once you spot your order block, you wait for it, you draw your line, wait for it, and expect market to come back to that place to react off. Yeah, I think I saw one. This very one here. Now look at this one. After this down, this is another block here. If you map, this, come on now. If you map this right here, is another block. Map it down to this part. All right. You can see that the market came down after this movement rally up, structure. After going up, market came down to this point, rally up and come back. So once you see it like this, you just mark it and wait for it to come back to this zone where you have marked. Once it come back, you enter and follow it up. That's how it works. All right. So, however, but if you are impatient, you can follow it up once you can spot it from this point. But I would always advise that because you don't trade under pressure, under tension. Just wait for it to come back to this spot and then you follow it up. So it's best. I think it's best that way. Yeah. Let me see other ones here. Let's go back in time. Let's go back in time. Go back in time. SRP has just been going. Market has just been going up anyway. So okay. It's amazing. I think I'm going to stop here, but I'm on 5 minutes. So go back in time, it will just be moving slowly. So, but I think I've communicated what I need to share on other blog. If you have any further question, if you are confused in any way, please hit me up on my WhatsApp. All right. Yeah, hit me up on my WhatsApp. I think I'll be able to explain better by demonstrating more to you. No, so let's see if our candlestick must have hit it we now. Shit, this is why I don't let me just take it to higher time frame. I'll see what I'm looking for now. That is it. Because small time frame just take you back faster. So I think this is where this is the current market. Man, we have really gone backward a long. Wow, where are we now? Okay, this is where we are. So we can see we are still at the current price. Yeah, so this is where I am. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. 5 minutes, let's see what happens. So I'm gonna come back to this video. When I will do the bearish order block, I'll allow this to happen before you can better understand. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for staying tuned up on this time. So in our next video is going to be a bearish order block. All right. So the after bearish order block, we'll go on to what's it called again? Two type of order block, bearish and bullish. There's breakout block here. After bearish order block, we can breakout block. Thank you. My name is imohfriday. Until I see you again. Bye bye for now.